Hi guys, nakabook na kami ng
Robot car.
robot car.
AI car. What people say.
Yeah. Si hi din yan.
Oh yeah, hi, and also it's gonna be no driver for the robo car.
Yeah, it's a robot.
Yeah, I can navigate.
Ayan na guys, hinihintay lang namin yung robot car namin. May mga siguro Chinese hindi namin maintindihan.
Ano to?
Siguro mga 5 minutes. This is a robot car.
前方配备有安全须知卡，
Oh,
为
see?
了您的安全，请您尽快阅读。严禁携带危险品或危险品停车。
Yeah.
上车后，请确认系好安全带并关闭车门，再点击盖板。
Robot car na may
下车
driver.
前观察周围环境。
Pero wala siya ano.
just maybe for
有
inspection.
任何疑问，请
Yeah.
点击。
Ang isang lumili ko siya. Kasi may tao lang siya sa likod. Oh, wow.
Super.
Oh, full.
Yes, yes, girlfriend. Yeah, you know.
Hinto dito, hinto na rin siya. What the? I like China. I like Shanghai. Yun dapat to, you know, yung walang driver.
Look at it's right.
I think that's another, you know, another,
Type of it.
yeah. You know? Kasi mo na siya na robot.
Wait.
Stop. Hindi siya tatakbo pag hindi ka naka-seatbelt. Dito may seatbelt kami, ako, yung daughter ko may seatbelt, yung son ko may seatbelt. Tapos pag pag gusto mo lang i-start, pindutin mo lang yung start sa cellphone mo. Naka-connect siya sa cellphone mo. Tapos ito makikita mo siya kung asa na siya. Ah, kung asa na kami. Right, dyan na siya.
So
Disappear from there.
Kaya
Yeah,
Yun.
disappear from there. This is the way it works.
tapos na yung mga anak ko kasi pwede kang mag-ano ng
Let's pick up
I like that. I like that more.
touchscreen.
Oh, that's not.
Music tayo.
That's.
No music na kasi magbabayad pa. Okay, ganyan dito. High pitch. Tapos mamaya, paano magbayad? I-show namin kung paano magbayad nito. Through Alipay or WeChat. Nasa ano pa rin, nasa apps pa rin ng WeChat. Okay? Pag may pedestrian, kusa siyang mag-slow down. Tapos pag may stoplight, tingnan nyo.
It's just a
Are you enjoy guys?
Yeah.
It feels interesting here.
Oh, you know na already. Then later when we're going home, we ride again, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Para maano talaga natin yung kung gaano ba kasulit siya. Para siyang DD lang din. 3 every 3 kilometers. Ulit sa light din niya. Every 3 kilometers 14 yuan. Bali yung babayaran namin mga ano siya, 18 yuan. Okay, enjoy. Malapit na. Tapos yun, ano lang kami, naka 44 kilometers per hour. Wala ganun traffic. Yan. Kusa siyang lumiliko. Stoplight, nakago pa rin. Prepare for drop off na daw. Kasi malapit na rin dito. Ito siya. Okay. Daming sensor. Open. Ayan, may tao. Nag-automatic stop siya. Galing. Yan, malapit na. And here we go. This is the drop off, okay?
Pulling over. Please don't open the door.
Okay. We wait for the instruction. Right camera, right, check. Okay. And
When you
then,
arrive, please take your personal belongings.
okay. Remove the ano? Remove the seat belt.
Remember to close the door behind you. Look forward to see you again.
Okay, siya. Guys, come on na.
So this is the strawberry picking?
Yeah. Hey. Yan, okay. Boom. Okay. Bye-bye. Ay, magpipay pala. We're going to pay. Tapos pay. 18. Select payment method. What the Hey. Are you sure? Yeah, okay. Done na. Nabayaran na yung
Robocar.
Robocar. Then 5. Send. Okay.